Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to see who is connected to your Wi-Fi router. So first of all, you just need to connect the Wi-Fi on your mobile and then open any browser and then go to search bar and type. Here you can see 192.168.0.on and then search it. So after search, you can find the link or directly open any website, or you can find the link, just open TP-Link. In my case, my router is TP-Link. So here you can say I already log in with my password. So you should log in with your admin password. And after that, if you see this website here, and then on this left side you can find the option DHCP. You just need to select this. So after select, you can find the option DHCP client list. You just need to select this option, DHCP clients list. After that, you can find a list who is connected to your Wi-Fi. So here you can see, in my case, only one person connected to my Wi-Fi router. So guys, in this way you can very easily find out who is connected on your Wi-Fi router. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching.